What's up guys? สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to my channel Mrs.B. Today I'm going to do a tutorial look of Kylie Jenner, and if you have hooded eyes like me, then keep on watching.
Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
First, I start with my brows. I already moisturized and put chapstick on.
Brows first. So today is going to be about how to do Kylie's makeup without using any of Kylie Jenner's products. I'm sorry, I don't have anything that she uses here, but we're gonna make the best of it. Some of my products are drugstores and some of them are not that high-end shit that she uses. Will make it work. Okay, she starts with her brow. I don't normally use pencil, so what I have right now is Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brown Pomade, and I use dark brown. So the goal of the day is not to look like Kylie Jenner, but we'll use some of her method to do the makeup.
I conceal right underneath to shape the brow, and then I apply it
I'm going to use Colourpop No Filter Concealer.
all over my lid as like a base for my eyeshadow.
Her voice is so calm and soothing. It's like she talks like this. Guys, do you like me when I talk like this?
My beauty blender, and I just like blend it out. Face powder. Eyeshadow.
Wait. I'm so hot right now. Like, who's here watching from Belgium or in Europe? It's been very hot nowadays, hasn't it? I'm here filming with no pants on. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me. It's not loose powder, but it could work.
Powder. Eyeshadow, and I'm using one of my new palettes. I'm going in with some of the matte shades for my crease. And I'm
gonna go with Low Blow from the Naked palette Heat. If you have hooded eyes like me, our crease is freaking right here. If you put eyeshadow on it, you're not gonna be able to see shit. So what I usually do is to look down in the mirror and then use your finger to feel your eye socket, like the bone structure that surrounds here, and that's where your eyeshadow should be. So you can actually see it when I open my eyes. And you have to raise your eyebrows a little to be able to locate your crease.
I'm not trying to be too crazy. Oh, there you go. This amazing shade. I'm gonna put this under my brow bone.
Shimmery shade on her brow bones. I think I'm going to use this color from Lime Crime palette. This color. Don't mind my nails, they're disgusting. Aura is the color.
Some like swatches and like shadows. Now I'm gonna go in with this darker brown. Kind of gives me more of like a cut crease. Like right in the...
From the Naked palette again. Cayenne.
Favorite gold shade. It's perfect for the summer. And I'm gonna just take it on my finger because I feel like that just works.
So she uses gold shade. So I find my gold shade from Jeffree Star Blush Sugar palette and this donor right here.
Or hint to it. It's definitely, I think, my favorite gold I've ever created. I think I'm gonna do something a little crazy and take Juicy, this orange. Has some shimmer to it.
So I'm going to use this color from Lime Crime again, Rebirth. And as you can see, my tear ducts are closed. You're not going to be able to see the color that much if you just put it in here. So what I like to do is to put it out of my actual tear duct a little, so you will be able to see the color better. I'm going to use sweetener from the blusher girl.
I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just wipe the excess. That's why I do my foundation after eyeshadow. Eyeshadow falls down and then your face isn't cute.
Well, my eyeshadows don't fall down
anymore. Well, I just found these Marc Jacobs Fantasy Dewdrops and I'm kind of obsessed. 1 squirt of this.
Hashtag can't afford. We're going to use something drugstore instead. This is Master Strobing liquid. It's medium nude. So I don't have that pan thingy that she has, so I'm going to use the back of my hand. This Colourpop No Filter foundation. I really love this. Squirt it 1, maybe just 2 first to see. Normally I don't really use a brush to apply foundation. Well, let's see if that works. This foundation actually applies really well with a brush.
And then I always take it down to my neck and just blend it all in. I'm gonna take the same foundation I used and line the top of my brows since I
actually never have done this before in my life.
Blend that out. I like to get under her legs. I used to conceal my forehead, but I don't do that anymore because I feel... I'm gonna use Kim's setting powder.
I'm going to use this powder. It's Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One Light. So I accidentally bought this in a very light color. I'm now using it to bake my concealer. You don't have to have everything that she has. Just improvise.
Chanel. It's actually like a sunscreen and a foundation.
Again, Maybelline fit me.
I just burn a little bit of this, never hurt. Now for a little bronzer, and I'm just gonna go right under my cheekbone.
I have this NYX Cosmetics Chic on Chic Duo.
For my face, I place my contour mainly like right at the edge, and then I kind of like blend it out. And then I do the side of my forehead. I kind of do like a 3, right? After I contour, I'm going to bake this. It's important you do this after your bronzer because
I don't do that. But we're going to try Maybelline thingy again with a sponge. Just bake with this.
I feel like that's what is, I don't know. I really don't know, but it's important you do it after your bronzer.
I don't have any brown lip liner, so I'm going to use some from liquid lipstick and put it on a brush. Cannot do it with my eyes closed, sorry.
Now I'm gonna do shade my under eyes. I'm gonna go in again with Aquaholic.
I don't know what color that is, but I assume it was the light brown one.
I think I'm gonna do something a little crazy and take Juicy, the orange color again, and drag it underneath. Brightening. Just gonna do a little bit under my eyes and clean anything.
So, I'm going to use this NYX palette again, but this color is kind of a little shimmery, but not too much.
Contour my nose a little bit.
So I'm gonna be using This is from Sephora, the pink color right here.
I smile so I know where to put it. Let's wipe this off. It's actually like against the rules in lash worlds to mascara your lashes, but I don't care.
I do care. I had my lashes done as well, and I'm poor, so I don't want to waste the money on doing them all over
I
again.
use brown on the bottom because I don't like too much mascara on the bottom, so this just gives me more of like a subtle look.
Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. Like, are you guys like me when you use other mascaras that are not drugstore? Your lashes just fall down like it's too heavy or something. So the thing that is working for me is the drugstore one, and yeah, I don't know if that's happened with other people. Just comment and tell me down below.
Now I'm gonna do some highlighter.
This color from Give Me More palette. So this is bigger and better.
I like to use a small brush when I highlight because I just like it to be like precise. A little on the tip. Brow gel. I take the tip.
So my brow gel is actually Japanese, Kate, cheap, and it's good.
And I like wipe all the product on first, and then I brush it up.
So I just realized that I skipped her lipstick part. For the lip color, I'm going to use this lipstick from H&M. And I picked up this color called Brunette Ambition.
Today.
And for the extra glossiness, Vaseline.
And I'm actually gonna spray because I feel like spraying just makes your makeup look better in person.
So setting spray. I'm going to use NYX Dewy Finish. Okay, so this look is complete. Thank you everybody for watching today's video. I will see you guys on the next one, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell next to the subscription box to get notified when I have a new video. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye guys.